The latest crypto crash. We got Elon Musk coming in with some not so great news. All that and more in this video. Are you freaking out? Are you scared? We're going to go over that. So definitely smash the subscribe button if you're new here. And of course, smash that like button if you like this content. So just jumping right into it. As you saw yesterday from Elon Musk himself, basically saying that they're no longer accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for Tesla because it hurts the environment. That's definitely a topic for another video, but that's just what they said. And guess what else he also has out on the tweeters? Guess what he says right here? Do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? With about just under 4 million people have voted, we have a 78% yes and a 21% no. So what do you guys think about possibly buying a Tesla with Doge? Let me know your thoughts down below. But of course, we've had this massive crash. Look right here on Coinbase. I'm just scrolling down. Look at all that red. I mean, we're seeing 10% and higher red. Look at all that. One thing that does point out, one thing that does point out is ADA is at $1.90, up 10%. Everything else is mega red. So hey, we're definitely on a little pullback. We're pulling up Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin on this weekly chart. I just want you to look and be like, yo, when you take the bigger picture, you zoom out and you look, what do you see? You tell me what you see. I just see a little bit of price action here. We're building a floor right there. This is completely normal. We're actually going to zoom in and we're going to be like, was this dip, similar to previous ones? Was it different? What should we expect? So definitely like this video if you guys like that kind of content. So let's just take a measurement of the latest dip. As you see here, yesterday's open to yesterday's close, about 13%. But here, if we take from the entire dump right here, just a matter of like 4 days from wick to wick, it's about 22%. Not bad at all. That right there is normal. That's what we've seen this market cycle and the previous market cycle. When we scroll back from the top here, so wick from the top at basically $65,000 all the way down to about $46,000, that was a 30% corrections. What have we seen this bull market? If you've been on this channel, definitely subscribe. If you're new here, we have seen 20 to 30% corrections. This is completely normal. And keep in mind, this is actually a little bit better than the last cycle. In 2017, we had multiple, and I mean multiple, 30 to 40% corrections, where it dipped 30 to 40%. One time I believe it was 44%. Imagine hodling through a 44% correction. If you're new here, this stuff is completely normal. Look, so right there was a 30% correction. Let's take a measurement of this dip. Wick to wick, 26%. What about this one? Wick to wick, 31%. Look at that. Guys, this does not lie. This right here is completely fine. If you're freaking out that we had a dip, guess what? Yeah, it does suck. We do have a dip, but personally, I think this is a great buying opportunity. I am not a financial advisor, just a silly dude on the internet. But why are people freaking out? This is just giving them plenty of good buying opportunities. We've seen people wanting to FOMO into Bitcoin at 60K, FOMO into Ethereum at 4,400. Why not buy it now? Why not buy things when they're dipping? I mean, BNB at around $560. People were FOMOing it at 700. Why do we love to buy when things are at all-time highs, but when they give a nice good 30% correction, we don't want to buy? I don't understand the psychology. That's how you wreck yourself. So you need to check yourself before you wreck yourself. You want to buy low, sell high. So when you see something dipped like this, people are scared. They don't want to buy. They're like, no, it's gonna go lower. Don't buy. And then it moons. And then, okay, they're like, oh, I got to buy here. And then it dips and then they sell because they got scared. So you want to try to buy these opportunities. When you see, just based off the history here, look, pullback, that says buy. Pullback says buy. Pullback here, look, this one we didn't measure. It was 18%. That was still a good buy. And just continuing on, I mean, if you don't understand what you see here with the pullbacks with the 30 to 40% correction, this bull market was 20 to 30%. If you're not buying those dips, and you're buying the tops, I don't know what to say, homie. You're going to lose a lot of money. It's just going to happen, okay? Because look, if you would have bought here, held through, even going to here, with just Bitcoin alone, I mean, obviously alts can make some bigger gains. You'd only made like a 12% move right there, gains. That's terrible. You want to be buying these dips. And no, of course, you're not going to buy the exact bottom in the dip. Like, let's just say you get in somewhere in here. That right there is excellent. Like back here, if you would have got in here, that's excellent. Right now, we're still playing it out. There's definitely possibility for downward action. But of course, you want to see where we have heavy support, where we will have a high chance of bouncing off of. Guys, that is the 21 weekly moving average. We've mentioned that for the past couple of weeks. This is exactly what you want to look at. Look, this is right around $46,000 in that region. We actually bounced off of it yesterday. So watch for us to continue bouncing off that. If we don't bounce off that, there's another level I'm looking at, but we'll keep that for a future video. So what is your thoughts about this dip? Are you just freaking out and selling everything, or are you just buying it up? I know I've got a lot of DMs about people freaking out. So please relax, it'll be fine. I just showed you this is completely normal. And yes, this is Bitcoin, but Bitcoin pretty much represents the entire market. Like I mentioned over and over time again, look at that Bitcoin dominance, see what's going on there. It's looking pretty good. But that's definitely another update in another video. So just watch this level, see if we hold it. If not, I'll definitely make it another video about where I believe the next level, major level of support is. So let me know your opinions down below. I'll catch you all in the next one. But until then, may those gains be with you.